Hello everyone, my name still remains Brian Opito. I'll be taking you through the PowerPoint, and I've developed some topic that I'm going to discuss with you on that very PowerPoint. Last time we had a look at some of the terms using the Microsoft PowerPoint, and now since I've developed some good topics that I'm going to discuss with you, now I have a topic called agriculture that we're going to talk about. It's here, I'm logging in to my PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, we are having here the topic called agriculture, and in the first slide it is a definition for the agriculture that I've splitted it in a way that you can understand it very fast. That the definition: cultivating plants, raising animals, managing natural resources. But all in all, we know that agriculture is a practice. So it is a practice of cultivating plants and raising animals and managing the natural resources for our food or fiber or the forest products. That is the real definition that you can put for agriculture. Now I can come to the second slide. We are having the types of agriculture. We have two common types of agriculture, that is subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture. With the subsistence agriculture, this is where the production or the produce of agriculture is mainly for home consumption or the family consumption. And the second one, commercial agriculture. This is where farmers produce at large for money or the income, and sometimes it may be like for export or like that. Basically, it's for money purposes or the income purposes. That is for commercial agriculture. Then in the next slide, I think we have here the branches of agriculture, that is agronomy, horticulture, and forestry. Agronomy just deals with the production of crops and other things like the management of soil. Then horticulture deals with the production of flowers and other things like vegetables. Then with the forestry, deals with the management of forest and forest products like timbers and other things. Just like that, the branches of agriculture. And then in the fourth slide, we have the agricultural practices. But here I will correct, because like I've put agricultural, sorry, then capitalize, agricultural practices. So with agricultural practices, we have crop rotation, then pruning and mulching. Crop rotation just refers to a practice of growing different crops in different seasons, but in the same field or the same garden. And then pruning, we have this one, just a removal of the branches of trees, let's say trees or vegetables. You remove the bad ones. And then with the mulching, just a process of it is just a practice of covering the top of the soil, or maybe to gain its fertility and do other things, over to increase the moisture content. Just simple as that. And then we have the benefits of agriculture. Basically, we have food security. We produce for us to get something to eat, and also we have another thing like the employment. Like in my country, I don't know in your country, but in my country, basically, people many people are employed in in the agriculture industry. So where I am, I think almost 75% of the individuals that are involved in agricultural practices. So it is a basic, and it is, I can say, it provides jobs to many people. Even if you are not employed in the big offices, you can come to agriculture and you do anything, because we have various forms like the subsistence one, the commercial one. The subsistence one, they don't block even anyone to enter into farming. Then also we have this one of economic growth. Just know, economic growth, this one, the production, the large production will grow our economy just in terms of, let's say, the goods and services. It will produce more goods and services to the people. So there we economically grow. Then the last slide to mention is slide 6. That is the challenges we normally face in agriculture. That is, number one is the climate change. Let's take for an example. With agriculture, it's normally affected by rains. When you don't have rain, the rain is not there. Just know the crops you're growing and the animals you're rearing, they go suffer, because for animals there will be there no grass. Then for crops, there will be no water for them to utilize. Yeah? Rainy water is very, very important for this crop to grow and do other things. And then we have water scarcity. Water scarcity, it affects almost, I can think, I think the animals, when we have the water scarcity, where are they going to drink water from? Where are they going to take the water from? And then for the crops, when you lack water in your area, how will your crops survive? There will be no way. And then we have this one of pests and diseases. Pests and diseases, just know there are some pests like squirrels and other things that they can go and destroy our crops. And then the diseases that affects animals, let's say mouth rot, let's say this one of liver fluke, that can enter the animal intestines and do many things in the organs. So there it denatures. So with this, I need to end here. But next time, as we meet in the next video, remember we're going to discuss more and more. Remember to subscribe this, so that in the next video we come and enjoy all what we have with our computer literacy. So with me, I'm Brian Opito. I beg to lay other things in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice time.